Ngiphethe ujezi number 6 uMatala Makhubo ntwana ngicela u10 man bambone lo 6 kupha u10 eBrayaka soka ki number 6 mfana why you choose number 6
I choose.
Oh okay
because Kiona smaller when you can am fit straight
and why rata
I
no
appreciate it because usually ke ka di 6 affair so
diatamaela ntwana ufika jwang ko Kaizer Chiefs
yo ngidlala tournament ya Valpo
okay ke bona po e plus wahlala kada
ya ka 2019
kiko Val ne yes
ka 2020 I was supposed to come this side but don't access again because Bompunda said barkike but don't access and stuff yaba manje because of the tsa go chelete tsa go tla hito ke renta ka mo yaba Olivia na chelete then ka skipa that year yaba ke ntse ke dula Free State in 2021 wa hla coach Edland this side e be re konna ke dula for free le tsa for den ka dula this side then ka February March somewhere ka be ke lo try la go Chiefs banga sesa that was started for Kaizer Chiefs 2021
and urutswa Free State ka ile ko Free State
Bethlehem
ko Bethlehem
yes
so now we back in the days no ya shebela Free State Stars la ko stadium
so ya ka
mara wa tseba hore vele ba tlaya kada
ya batsi
and then ka linto li Bethlehem
igla Free 7 Bethlehem
okay so una le team no ibapelela kada
ngidlala academy ya ko Qwaqwa
oh okay
so travel ga weekend
ba ibitsang academy ya teng
go discreet academy
amputse ba jwang batho rata bolo kada nyathemba uthi bayithanda impela abantu ibhola ngale
bolo ba irata mara this time around so rata dintho tse usually the youngster that side ba sa rata bolo that much ba sa inkella hlong hona le ba inkellana ba simba sa inkelle hlong but batho bona ba supportana that side
so the day uthola opportunity ya hore khone o tlisa development nyana improvement nyana ko kasi ke ngo rata o etsetsa kasi ya hao
for
akere maybe o tlisa di tournament maybe whatever ka thusang ka yona bana ngicela ungilinde yeah whatever ka re o khona hore I give back to the community the day o runa le matla o ka rata o ba etsetsang batho ba konto ba ko kasi ya hao
hona yeng ngetsa ma tournament nyana for fela ba bang or ke thuse ba hlokang na ba hlokana le player tse hlokang tse senang ba bang ba nke ba tlise mo di side be se team ho ba lo asetsa hore cause opportunity ha di ngata that side I like this side so ngaka ba tshilo ba tle ba shebe happy ba spana cause ha it easy to go for
ntona yami manse camping la ku Kaizer Chiefs uthanda ukushare nobani ke mangore yona a ke dutse le yo ke a tseba hore ke tsaya non stop
motho ne bua lela ene le Yasin Manis from under 15 because it is the Asia because o tlo na ntho tse wrong ha dua batho e re same age le bona so ne dikela le ba banyane ke le ntwana tse ka tsa go gana dua na ntho tse tsa bana ga itlalla nje ene le Yasin Manis so fa manje o tsamaile go Kaizer Chiefs ntse ke di one mara I hope tla thola motho
last one ntwana yami ufisa ukuzibona ukuphi la ku Kaizer Chiefs la ku football nyazo uyafuna ungena ku Betway ubatla uyibona ulikai mo disking
ngibona ke Kaizer Chiefs ana yong
Kaizer Chiefs
batla Kaizer Chiefs first team ana yong
ntwana tshwantse o ruthabile linkile
obvious cause for life
ne le jwang season e sharp
I need to manage sharp ne ke enjoy but this year nje asenze to thoma yakwa me se ke tropile but hope for next season ha gata ba sharp
tona ka congratulations mfana usikatwela umonati tswela pele
yeah thank you sir
thank you Skoko
ka lebo